Gender Dysphoria, a Condition Presentation by Magdalene, Catherine, and Justine. Welcome to our presentation on gender dysphoria, where we intend to help you better understand gender dysphoria and its impact on those struggling with who they were born to identify as. In our presentation, we will go over many different things to help you better understand gender dysphoria. To begin with, Catherine will start with the DSM-5. She will go over the different diagnostic criteria for children, adolescents, and adults. In addition, she will go over other specified gender dysphoria and unspecified gender dysphoria. She then goes into details and the codes for each diagnostic as they are different. She will also go over specifications and specifiers. In addition, a discussion of post-transition will be discussed. Provided is a video of her going over the DSM-5 for your pleasure to view. Magdalene chose an article, a qualitative article. It is about 15 adolescents who are in treatment at the National Treatment Unit for Gender Incongruence at Oslo University. The focus is on transgender and gender nonconforming adolescents between the ages of 13 and 19 years old. These individuals were born female. However, they no longer identify as female and now identify differently. In her presentation, she will identify the research that the article completed. Attached is a video for your viewing pleasure to help you understand the article and to see her go through it. Next, we'll show you a video of Laura Jane Grace, a transgender woman who has transitioned from male to female. Along her journey, she has met other individuals who also are transgender and struggle with their gender identity, all of which have gender dysphoria. Attached is a video to show you their journeys. If you like the journey, you can continue watching Laura's story videos through YouTube called True Trans with Laura Jane Grace. Finally, we conclude with national web resources for your viewing pleasure. BC Children's Hospital, American Psychiatric Association, and Johns Hopkins Medicine, GLAAD, and National Center for Transgender Equality. These are all excellent resources for anyone wanting more information on transgender, gender nonconforming, or gender dysphoria. Finally, we conclude with our references from our presentation. We use the American Psychiatric Association DSM manual and also Jensen, Ware, David, and Stanicki, Archives of Sexual Behavior for our presentation. We hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to your feedback. Thank you.